Oh my god! I can't find a place to do this avatar challenge. Okay, ignore that. I think it will be in my bedroom. That's the only place that comes to mind. Oops. Wait, where am I? Your second hair. Wait. Face. Your fourth face. Actually, how about sixth face? Okay. I think Lily would like this. Wait, what? Your fourth hat. Your seventh shirt. Your third t-shirt. Actually, yeah. It's not that bad. This isn't that bad. The t-shirt isn't that bad. Okay, and the seventh, wait, not seventh, the eighth pants and your, sorry about that, your, wait, seventh accessory. Shoulder accessory shall be, wait, the third. Back accessory should be the fourth. And that's all. I don't know about you, but your face is pretty cute. I just hate the other stuff. Actually, never mind. I hate this. For a challenge, we have to save this. Okay, so bye now.